MiTAMA features TAMA's patented and proprietary metawave frequencies and waveform technology packaged in a handy and easily operated device. MiTAMA Deluxe, a professional adaptation of MiTAMA, was designed for estheticians. In the treatment room, MiTAMA Deluxe can provide the powerful technology TAMA has to offer with very simple and user-friendly treatment methods that require very little setup. Switch it on, select the power level, and MiTAMA automatically starts the selected program and stops at the end of the treatment cycle. MiTAMA Deluxe also features TAMA touchless treatment capabilities. These patent-pending methods allow skin professionals to provide microcurrent treatments with minimal person-to-person interaction, maintaining strict safety procedures and providing skin health-boosting treatments from a distance. Even in situations where a social distance is not a concern, touchless treatments provide value by reducing manual labor and allowing for more scheduling flexibility. MiTAMA does all the work for you, giving you the power to work smarter.